Welcome back to Check Out the Rileys. Hey, first time driving in America since I've been gone. Let's take a drive, everybody. See how it goes. Let's go. Guess that's not gonna sit there. I think I went the wrong way. This way doesn't have a way out. Hey, you can just take a scenic route sometimes. Huh? Like hacking up these turns. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, it's not used to having a bigger vehicle. Oh, okay. We'll get it figured out. Following traffic rules. Actually have stop signs and stuff I gotta stop. I like seeing all the cars and different stuff. All right, I think I made it. So yeah, I'm outside the Walmart. We got the flags lowered. I'm guessing that's because of the Queen or whatever. But just checking it out, seeing what it's all about. First time I've been in a Walmart, walking around and exploring. So yeah, some things are cheaper, some things are more expensive than the Philippines. So just depending on what you're getting and what you're after. I didn't end up buying anything. Not like I need a lot. I've seen everything from souvenirs. Everybody needs some souvenirs, right? Electronics and groceries and toys and, you know, all the Walmart stuff, right? So feels great out here though. I can sit here all day. It's got an overcast right now. It's not too hot. A lot of stuff to see. Yeah.
This is how shit is. Trust me, we gonna get rocked off.
Don't know if that dude was talking to himself or who he was talking to, but he walked by talking. He's kind of staring at me, so I don't know. I gotta get used to people. But it's not like I'm scared of anybody or nothing like that. Nothing to fear. It's just different. Trying to get used to it. So I'll get the Colts hat on, show them what's up. Alright. Hey, thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry the sound isn't better, but hey, what are you gonna do? Alright. Peace.